are going to love the 2018 Ford Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, security system, power windows, Sirius Satellite Radio, tachometer, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.